Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Happy eclipse. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. I just watched the eclipse, my first time in 43 years of life that I've actually seen an eclipse. It was pretty awesome. We saw like an 87% eclipse in Wisconsin. So it's pretty cool. But today I'm not going to teach you about eclipses. I'm going to teach you, this is one of my favorite tutorials I've ever made for Excel. I'm going to teach you how to create conversions from units of measure in Excel. So like from pounds to kilos, or from miles to kilometers, inches to meters, and so on. Okay, so check this out. This is gonna be awesome. And follow along. Make sure you subscribe to Teach Mom How, and to learn more about Excel, watch my playlist that I've attached in the description here. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm in America. We measure our weight in pounds. Unfortunately, this is what I weigh today, 250 pounds. So how do I convert that to kilos, to kilograms? Okay, so here's how. It's really actually quite simple. This nifty little table I built. You can watch one of my previous tutorials on how to build a table. I'm just going to show you in this how to write the equation. You simply put equals, convert, parentheses. All your formulas have to have a parentheses. Then it walks you through it. Choose the number. We're going to go from here. Okay. Then, comma. What unit do we want that to go to? You can search for the unit here. You can look through and find it. We want to go to kilograms, which I happen to know is parentheses. You always have to do parentheses. kg. Then parentheses. That's kilogram. Okay. Then comma. Sorry, what is it in first? It's in pounds. Pounds is LBM. LBM. Okay. Quotation mark, comma. And then the unit to what unit? Quotation mark, kg for kilogram, quotation mark, and in a parentheses. Push enter. There you go. 250 pounds is 113.39 yada yada kilos. All right, on to the next. Miles to kilometers. All right, same thing. We're going to go equals, convert, parentheses, choose the number, which is this one, comma, from unit is miles, and that is quotation mark, mi, quotation mark, then comma. It's called a statute mile. Okay. And we're to unit kilometers, so comma, quotation mark, km for kilometers, quotation mark, parentheses, enter. There you go. 100 miles is 160.9344 kilometers. Inches to meters, so height, this is 5'10", 70 inches is 5'10", to meters equals, convert, choose the number right here, comma, the from unit is inches, which is quotation, in, quotation, comma. The to unit is meters, which is right there. You can just select it. Quotation, m, quotation, parentheses, enter. There you have it. My height, 5'10", or 70 inches, is 1.778 meters. All right, gallons to liters. Let's write this equation. Equals, convert, parentheses, choose the number, comma, comma, the from unit is gallons, which is parentheses, quotation, GAL, quotation, comma. The to unit is quotation, L for liter, quotation. Okay, then parentheses, enter, there you go. 1 gallon is 3.7854178 liters. All right, miles per hour to kilometers per hour. Here we go. Equals, convert, parentheses, choose the number right there, comma, the the from unit is mph, quotation, comma, and the to unit is quotation km slash hr for hour, quotation, parentheses, enter. There you have it. 80 miles per hour is 128.74752 kilometers per hour. And the last one I'm going to do in this video is Fahrenheit to Celsius. So equals, convert, parentheses, the number, comma, the from unit is Fahrenheit, which is just an F in quotation, comma, and the to unit in quotation is C for Celsius, quotation, parentheses, enter. And that didn't work. What did I do wrong? Maybe you have to make them capitals. Let's try that. Capital F, capital C. There you go. Yep, they have to be capitals. All right. So 66 degrees Fahrenheit is 18.888889 degrees Celsius. All right. So I hope that helped. That is how you convert measurements using Excel. And you can use a lot of other common ones, but I built this one because these are the most common things that I have to convert from time to time. All right. Hope that helped. Have a great day. Subscribe to Teach Mom How.